Are you making these mistakes with your writing life? Hi, my name is Elke Feuer. I'm an author and a fiction book coach. Now, when writers first start off, they often make these two mistakes. The first one is they actually focus on writing. This means writing their books, developing their craft for writing. While that actually sounds like, well, why is that a bad thing? It's not a bad thing. It's actually very important. But the problem is that it's only one piece of the puzzle as a whole with their writing life. And unfortunately, this is why writers tend to struggle and give up, because they're just focusing on that one portion of the puzzle of their writing life, when in fact there are many other puzzles that need to be mastered. So the second way that writers tend to fail is that they fail to plan. Now, what this means is once they realize that, hey, there's more to having a writing life than just writing your books and being a great writer, they're kind of scrambled trying to figure out what the next steps are, or they're just sort of throwing spaghetti on the wall, hoping that, what they're doing will work, instead of taking a step back and actually having a plan. And unfortunately, where they end up is not having a plan to launch their books, to get reviews, or how to turn their readers into long-term fans or more. So what about you? Have you made these mistakes, or perhaps you're still making these mistakes and you're looking to make some changes in 2022? If you are, I'd love to invite you to my Author CEO workshop, which I'm hosting on November 27th. In this workshop, what you're going to learn is how to create a clear writing vision for your writing life. You're going to develop some badass writer habits to help you with your mindset. We're going to walk through how to launch your books. We're also going to identify strategies to help you achieve your income goals, as well as create a roadmap to help you to reach your writing goals in 2022. So, if you are ready to level up your writing life in 2022, I hope to see you there at my workshop. So, I hope that you have a fabulous rest of the day and week, and I will hope that you tune in to watch my next video, where I am going to be vlogging about my participation in National Novel Writing Month, where I'm going to be sharing some tips on how I stay motivated when I am participating in NaNo. Have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.